Meet Lone Chick. He's wrapped up in Danny's camouflage for the night because he was the only chick born. The next morning we return him to his mom and a couple of brothers and sisters, but Paige gets to play with him before we do. Wave to the camera, dude. Oh, we're putting him back with his mama.
Okay.
You're gonna see. Okay, give me both of them.
Okay, we got Wanda with both of her
That was an ordeal.
little ordeal phantoms here. These things go ballistic. Gosh, they're aggravating.
And like a bird.
They're like a quail when they get out. They just gone.
Little Miss and Rooster had to come out in order to protect these babies and their mamas. I have 3 mamas, and they're sitting on eggs, and we had to keep them protected. So sometimes you just got to become like a bird in a cage in order to protect your babies.